cut on this Wells L-9 saw here. It's on wheels here. It has a coolant system here. There's the pump down there. Catch tray for the chips. The back of it here, but I'm gonna quick cut. It's got a quick slide clamp thing here. So I'm gonna tighten up the vise. Flip this lever here that automatically, when it pushes down, it shuts it off after it cuts. Knob here, valve here, adjust down, speed, hydraulic, down, speed, It has coolant going to either side here, but it makes a heck of a mess on the machine here. So it hit the switch, shut off. So it's basically, that's it. It has a coolant with a little valve right here. And there's coolant going to the other guide in the back here. No, it only has coolant on the front guide here, right here. This is the coolant hose. Anyhow, okay.